In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add promotion in Godaddy Guide. We'll walk through how to turn on and customize a promotion banner in your Godaddy website builder so you can highlight sales, seasonal deals, or special announcements right at the top of your site. First, head to the Godaddy website. In the top right corner, open your account menu. If you're not already signed in, sign in so you can access your dashboard. From that account menu, click your email address to reveal options, then choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything in your account. If you manage multiple businesses or sites, select the business you want to work on, then click into the specific website you're updating. On its dashboard, look for Edit Website and click it to open the site editor. Inside the editor, focus on the right side panel. That's where your site-wide settings live. Find and open the Promotion or Promo Banner section. Now toggle on Show Promotion. This instantly enables a banner area across your site. Create your custom message next. Keep it short, clear, and benefit focused. Think spring sale, 20% off all services, or new menu this week, book now. Aim for a single concise sentence so it looks great on both desktop and mobile. Avoid jargon and include a time frame if it's limited. Clarity drives clicks. To make the banner feel on brand, choose a seasonal decoration if it fits your campaign. Pick a look that complements your site colors instead of competing with them. If you want extra motion, toggle on animated decoration. A little animation can attract attention, but use it sparingly to avoid distracting visitors. If you need the banner to send people somewhere specific, like your shop, bookings page, or a featured product, toggle on Add Link and paste the destination URL. Linking the banner turns attention into action, which can boost conversions. If your promotion includes discounts for appointments, click Manage Appointment Coupons. In the coupons area, use Create New Coupon to set up a code, define the discount type and amount, and add start and end dates. Keep codes easy to read and remember. When you're finished setting up coupons, go back to the main editor page to continue. Review your banner message, decorations, animation, and link one more time to ensure everything reads well and matches your goal. When you're happy with it, click Done to save your changes. That's it. Your promotion banner is live and ready to bring attention to your offer. Thanks for watching and happy promoting!